The moment you feel that sudden sneeze coming on and you immediately cross your legs, that split-second panic is a reality for millions, and it is something we rarely talk about out loud. We are talking about the hidden struggle of a weak pelvic floor and the way it dictates how you move, how you laugh, and how you live. For a long time, the only advice was to do boring exercises while sitting in traffic. But honestly, who actually remembers to do those properly? Most of us just. And usually, we guess wrong. That is where this specific device comes in, turning a medical necessity into something that feels more like playing a classic mobile game. It is a small, insertable sensor that connects directly to an app on your phone. You use your own internal muscles to control the action on the screen. You squeeze to make a bird fly up, and you relax to make it glide down, navigating obstacles and collecting points along the way. It sounds a bit wild, but it takes the guesswork out of the entire process. The device uses two distinct sensors to track both your deep muscles and the ones closer to the surface. This ensures you are actually using the right parts of your body, rather than just tensing your stomach or holding your breath, which can actually do more harm than good. There are over 12 different games included, so it stays fresh, and you do not get bored of the same repetitive motion. The app builds out specific programs based on what you actually need, from postpartum recovery to preventing leaks during a workout. There are 10 different levels for each goal, so the difficulty scales as you get stronger. Many women report seeing a massive difference in just a few weeks, with some stopping their leaks entirely. Some users have even been able to get back to running and jumping without any fear of accidents, which is a total game changer for quality of life. You can see your progress in real time with charts and graphs, showing you exactly how your strength and endurance are improving over time. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 3 to 5 times a week, to see real results. Now, it is an investment costing around $180, which is a significant upfront cost. Some people find it a little bit uncomfortable to get started, especially if things are sensitive. So using a bit of water-based lubricant is usually a must. Also, the way the original model is designed, you really need to be lying down flat to get the most accurate readings, so you cannot exactly multitask while you use it. But when you weigh that against the cost of products or the constant anxiety of a public leak, the value starts to make a lot of sense. It is backed by actual science and moves away from the clinical, cold feeling of traditional physical therapy. It makes the work, well, not feel like work. You are simply playing a game while reclaiming control over your own body. And that kind of confidence is worth every bit of the effort. You get to see exactly how far you have come. And that data keeps you motivated when you might otherwise quit. It turns a chore into a win. And for anyone tired of the constant worry, that is a massive relief. It is about getting your freedom back and being able to laugh again without a second thought.